to my channel. This is Miss V here. I'm continuing my outdoor decor series, and in this series I'm going to be making, well, I'm going to attempt to make a it's going to be a chair bird bath. I saw in the event with Karen make one similar, but I'm gonna do mine a little different. So I'll link her channel in the description box, and make sure I'm making sure to give her the credit, because she's the one who gave me the idea. But you know, Miss V always had to put a little twist on mine. So mine is going to entail a thermometer, and I'm gonna be using this clear bowl from the Dollar Tree. Everything came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use these decals to decorate the bowl. And I'm gonna use 4 trellises, and I got some zip ties and my wire cutters. So let me get everything prepared and I'll be back. Here, the first 2 pieces together is what I did, is just zip tied them together. And the way that you do that is zip tie them, the 2, just let them meet like that, and zip tie them together. Then once you have this area secured, you pull these 2 together and zip tie those also. That's what I did. So now what I'm going to do is cut the top of these off. This little rounded area, I'm going to cut that off with my wire cutters. Okay, I wasn't able to remove this part like she did on the video. That's the top part of the chair. So the reason why she took the top, this little rounded part off, because that's going to be the bottom part where it can sit flush. So what I did, since I couldn't take it off, I just bent it. You know, Miss V always got her own way of doing it. So this is going to be the bottom part of this chair. This is the part that's going to sit on the ground. So now we're going to make the seat part. And how we're going to do that is, I'm going to bend the top of this down, and I'm going to take this off. This is the seat. So I took the top part off by bending it backwards and forward. It just snaps off. Then these are the 2 little legs that were on there. I did the same thing with them. You
gonna check on Chris?
You go check on Chris. So what I can do now is now I'm gonna bend this one back and forth. Let me get my gloves. Pops off. So this is going to be the bottom part also, so I'm going to go ahead and bend this. So that it will lay flush on the ground. And then I'm just going to attach the seat. Attach the seat with my zip ties. And this will be the seat, and this will be the front of the chair. I know this is not the best tutorial. That's why I'm going to link her video so you can see a better tutorial than what Miss V has going on. But that's what we're going to do right there. So I'm going to zip ties these together, and I'll be back. So I got my seat all zip tied together. See that? And now Just attach it. It's gonna be my little garden chair. The trellis garden chair so far. I gotta put some on the sides to attach these two so that it won't fall down. And in her video she used the leftover part from one of the trellises. But we'll see what I come up with. So this is what I have so far. So this is what I did. I just took this little piece right here, bent it back and forth until it popped off. Then just straighten this part out. That Tristan y'all here over there. He's watching his grandmama work. Then I just bent this. Well, I straightened it all the way out first. Then I bent it back to make the little circular part, the little rounded part. Then I did the same thing on this end. Just straighten it out as best I can, and that's gonna be my size. Next time I make another teacup, I'm gonna use this. This is easier to bend than that handle that comes with it, that basket at Dollar Tree. Okay, and so this is the idea. I'm gonna hook this right here. I'm gonna close those hooks in real tight once I get them on there. Got that one on there. Now I'm gonna try to get this one. No, I need to put it on the inside. Inside, I'm gonna straighten it out where it's gonna look good, y'all. Inside. So stay tuned. Trellis garden chair, isn't it cute? And so I just put those decals on this bowl to kind of mimic this bird bath that I already had, so the birds can come take them a bath. So mine is a trellis garden chair bird bath. So this is it. I think I'm still do some more on it, but this is what I have right now. So I'm just gonna let that sit there. Isn't that cute? I just came up with this idea watching her video. But anyway, she cut an opening into her seat and dropped one of those wire flower pot type things. But I think I'm gonna make mine a bird bath. So stay tuned, y'all. I think I'm gonna do a couple more other things to it. So let me see. Thermometer to the back of it, and I'm thinking about adding this butterfly and this little windmill somewhere on the chair. So stay tuned. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the opening out in the seat and drop this down in there, so the birds will really think it's a bird bath. But the only thing is, on her video, she did her chair long ways. I did mine the wrong way, but you know, that's not gonna stop me. I'm just gonna cut around, see how it's overlapping. All I do is just pull that out, just make it fit snug. So I'm gonna cut right here, right here. Well, actually, I'm gonna cut the entire seat out and then drop the bowl in there. So I'm gonna do that next, and I'll be back. My end result. This is my garden trellis chair bird bath. I just made up me a name, y'all. But anyway, I put that little canary that was on my spring welcome sign, and I took him off and just glued him on the top of the bowl so the other birds can see him, and put a little water in here. And I like the way it turned out. Fun little project. Really wasn't that bad to create. So this is it. This is Miss V's little trellis garden chair. Yeah, bird bath. So thank you for watching. And this is Miss V. You know I'm going to continue to show you love and encourage you. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.